The FNIRSI DST-201 3IN1 Multimeter is a versatile tool that combines a digital multimeter, oscilloscope, and DDS signal generator into one compact device. It features an impressive 19,999 counts with true root-mean square capabilities, making it ideal for precise measurements in various applications. The device includes a 1 megahertz bandwidth oscilloscope with a sampling rate of 5 megasamples per second, perfect for detailed electronic circuit diagnostics. Its DDS signal generator offers 13 waveform outputs, which are great for waveform simulation and signal testing in both electronics and automotive repairs. The 2.8-inch color TFT screen is user-friendly, featuring adjustable brightness and themes, and it comes with a rechargeable battery for extended use. With a convenient function dial, the FNIRSI DST-201 ensures quick mode switching and stable handling, enhancing measurement efficiency in the field.